Going everyone, welcome back to another XRP update. Bitcoin is continuing its pump thanks to reconfirming the lost 107k support back into support. So it's acting as an area of demand. The following 2 days have been a pump. This then allows altcoins to continue their relief rally. And the reason why I'm calling it a relief rally so far is because Bitcoin still needs to recover some important key levels. And without doing so, that is why we might say that it will find resistance and continue lower. That puts the alts at risk. That the bounce right now, of course, is false. So all Bitcoin needs to do is continue pumping. Alts will continue their rally, and hopefully that will allow a coin like XRP, who's finally starting its journey back to the highs, to take it out. I've made some updates since Friday last week, drawing out a path exactly like this that XRP needs to follow. So flipping the moving averages back into support, flipping this red area, which actually so happens to be a very key Fibonacci level. It was also previously the neckline of this bullish pattern. Now, as you can see, the target actually never got met. So that means that on this correction, so long as the neckline holds up, that target will eventually happen. And unfortunately, it will not play out if you see the neckline lost. So this liquidation event invalidated that target. But if Bitcoin can recover the key levels mentioned in the video update already posted today, go and check that out. Then if successfully recovering those levels, we'll see XRP getting itself back above the moving averages and the neckline of that bullish pattern. By doing so, that target is valid once more. So we will eventually see XRP pumping to a new all-time high, targeting $4 plus. Now, I've mentioned in my last few updates that there's an even larger bullish pattern that will be in play at the point of meeting that $4 plus target. Now, if you're new here to the channel, let's zoom out and show you that an even larger inverse head and shoulders, which is actually using the current liquidation event as the right shoulder, becomes valid the moment we hit that $4 technical target. So to get up there, you break this neckline. And once a neckline is broken, just like down over here, you start heading towards the target. And as long as that holds up, you continue to that target. We've had a potential deviation, but if it can recover the neckline, we're back on the way to that target. So it's the same situation here. You've got a new neckline. Once broken, it's going to give you further expectation of higher. And we can see right now that for XRP, it would take it to a $7 target, just slightly above this 1618 here. So I would actually look to say maybe the weekly or monthly candle close would actually be sitting back underneath this level. At least as of now, as long as XRP goes back onto that bullish path, which will only happen with the help of Bitcoin, then we are potentially looking at a $6 to $7 XRP token this cycle. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you wanted to learn my strategy, use the links down below. Take action on this 30% discount while it lasts until Friday the 7th of November. This can be applied to my Discord, ebook, or one-to-one mentorship plans. So check them out and I'll see you over there.